making things work and look the way you want them. Hi and welcome. If you're new here, welcome. I hope we can earn your subscription today. This video is one of a series of videos that have been designed to help you understand how you can configure a Microsoft Surface Duo 2 and Duo 1. And we are configuring the Microsoft Launcher side, which is kind of the look and feel of your device. We've gone over M365/glance screen. We've gone over the app drawer. We have gone over how to set wallpaper and have it auto change. This one here is going to be how to add a widget to a screen. Widgets are objects that come along with some of your applications, which give you a view into data or content that that particular application is designed for. So for example, in this particular video, we're going to install a weather widget. One weather is the widget that I'm going to select this from, and we'll install it. It's going to give us some information about weather. So whatever your favorite weather app is, it most likely has a widget. So give this a look. The circle that you see highlighted is a touch indicator. So this will show you where I am touching on the screen. Navigate to the screen that you wish to add the widget to, then touch and hold until you see this displayed. You can also navigate to your choice screen by navigating here. Now select the Add Widget option. You can see that highlighted here. You now have a list of all installed widgets. You can scroll this list to find the widget of your choice. Widgets come along with certain applications that you have installed on your device. I will scroll down to a widget from One Weather just to install as an example. I am now going to select my widget and drag it out to the screen. I don't want it on this screen. Let me drag it over to the other screen. Notice how the widget has a white border and there are 4 dots, one at the top, bottom, left, and right. This will allow you to resize the widget, so I'm going to do that now. Let's make it wider, and I think it needs to be taller. And there we go. Hope you found that helpful, useful. Thumbs up. Give it that like, please. Comment. Tell me what you thought and tell me what you'd like to see. Share it so others can see it. Subscribe. Give me more subscriptions. Finally, thanks for watching.